Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good afternoon, Eastern Iowa. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Danny Cassidy. Well, there's a lot of active weather happening today and tomorrow, so let's catch you up on what's going to transpire here. So for today, some of us are under an excessive heat warning with heat indexes up to 110. That feels like temperature. Could be some late storms overnight into tomorrow morning that could be strong, severe. And then tomorrow we stay hot and humid with those heat advisories and excessive heat warnings sticking around. And that's the better chance for strong to severe storms, as some areas are under a level 3 risk for severe weather. Then by Thursday, we dry out a little bit and still are warm, but not quite as hot as we are the next 2 days here. So these are the excessive heat warnings here and heat advisories through Wednesday evening. Again, it feels like temperature up to 110 degrees. So make sure, as always, to stay hydrated. Stay in the shade as much as you can. Take some breaks. Wear sunscreen. Make sure to not leave pets or kids in the car. And check on the elderly while you can. Now, these are the projected heat indexes or feels like temperatures throughout the day. So by about 3 o'clock, this is kind of the peak. So area-wide, it's going to feel like over 100 degrees. Again, with that dew point, along with the temperature, it's going to feel a lot hotter than it is. Even by 9 o'clock, it will feel like the upper 80s to lower 90s in many spots. So we don't really get a relief. Overnight tonight, though, into tomorrow morning, with the sun setting and a little bit of cloud cover potentially, we could cool off a little bit overnight. And then here's that kind of cold front that is expected to potentially move through tomorrow morning with those showers and storms. So off the northwest, you do see it's a little bit cooler. That's where the rain could be expected. So that will cool them down a little bit. For the southeastern region, where that excessive heat warning is, they'll stay in the mid to upper 80s for heat indexes Wednesday morning. And then as we get into the day with some of that sun peeking out and some clouds clearing, again, it could feel like over 100 degrees in many spots before finally that cold front moves through for those strong and severe storms and will cool down a little bit for Wednesday night into Thursday morning. So now onto the severe weather risk. So we are under a level 2 risk for the northwestern portions of the viewing area. The main threats are large hail and damaging wind gusts, although an isolated tornado is not out of the question. The timing for this is anywhere from 10 p.m. tonight through 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Then for tomorrow, that's where those stronger severe storms are more likely. So the entire area here under a level 2 risk, with our extreme northern counties under a level 3 risk. Hail is the biggest threat here, large hail that is. But damaging wind gusts and a few isolated tornadoes are also possible for that. And the timing for this is mid-afternoon around 4 o'clock to midnight. So here's the timing for this. So let's speed up to about 10 to 11 o'clock here. So you can see some of these showers off to the west. Now there's a lot of uncertainty on where these showers and storms will be. So for right now, the one model has it here where it's off to the north and to the west, but this could be very widespread, especially for the central and northern areas. It all depends on where the fronts track. So then by about 6 or 7, again, it could miss us off to the northwest, or it could be more south and east. By about midday, we will clear out a little bit with some of that sunshine peeking through. But then by, again, 4 or 5 o'clock, we do see some showers and storms develop. Again, could see those strong to severe storms throughout the afternoon and evening hours. By about 7 to 8, again, location is a little uncertain on where these will be, but it is expected to be more widespread for Wednesday. And then it will clear out by Wednesday night into Thursday morning. So for today, high temperatures in the mid to upper 90s. Again, will feel like well over 100 in some spots with that dangerous heat. And then for tonight, low temperatures, we do cool down a little bit, though it's not much of a cool down with those low to mid 70s low temperatures. City by city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. We do see those strong to severe storms on Wednesday, and we dry out Thursday. It should see some sunny skies through the rest of the week. We do cool down to the mid 80s Friday and Saturday. We will see a return to the 90s by Father's Day.